Have you ever downloaded software that looked amazing?
But after 1 week, you stopped using it? You're not alone.
Millions of people waste money every year choosing the wrong software, tools that are confusing, expensive, or simply unnecessary. In this video, you'll learn how to choose the right software step by step and avoid the 5 biggest mistakes most beginners make. Good software should make your life easier. Bad software does the opposite. The right tool saves time, increases productivity, and helps you grow. The wrong tool creates stress, confusion, and wasted money. Let's make sure you choose the right one. Mistake number 1. Choosing software without a clear goal. Many people download tools just because they are popular, but popularity does not mean it's right for you. Before choosing any software, ask yourself one simple question. What problem am I trying to solve? Write down one task you need help with. Be specific. Ignore extra features you don't need. Mistake number 2. Paying for advanced features you'll never use. Many people buy expensive plans because they think more features means better value, but most beginners use only 20% of the software. Here is the step-by-step guide to follow. Start with a free or basic plan. Test the software for 7 to 14 days. Upgrade only when necessary. Mistake number 3. Choosing powerful software that is too complicated. If software is hard to use, you won't stick with it. Simple always beats complicated, especially for beginners. Here's what you need to do. Look for a clean dashboard, watch a short tutorial, and test if basic tasks feel easy. Mistake number 4. Not comparing options. Choosing the first software you see. There are almost always better, cheaper, or simpler alternatives. Comparing tools saves money and prevents regret. Compare at least 3 tools. Check price, features, ease of use. Choose the one that fits your level. Mistake number 5. Ignoring real reviews and trusting marketing instead of real users. Sales pages show perfection, but real users tell the truth. Reviews help you avoid bugs, bad support, and hidden problems. Search software name and review. Check YouTube comments and forums. Look for repeated complaints. Now you know what to look for. Here's a simple 5-step framework you can use every time you choose software. Number 1, define your goal. Number 2, start small. Number 3, test ease of use. Number 4, compare options. And number 5, read real reviews. If a tool passes all 5 steps, you've likely found the right one. Choosing the right software doesn't have to be confusing. Focus on your needs, keep things simple, and avoid hype. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to Smart Software Picks, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future software reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.